Alright guys, there's a UPS truck. See the guy over there? He's delivering the packages. You can see some trash cans. Trash day is almost in 2 days. See the orange blinking lights? I don't know what color the lights, probably yellow or orange. I think the windshield wipers are in the different ways. They're facing the left. That's crazy. See the color brown? UPS trucks are brown. That's a box truck. That's really cool. I really like UPS. I think I feel raindrops. It's going to start raining. The beeping sound is coming from the truck. Where's the guy? I thought he was going to deliver the packages. Oh wait, there he comes. Here he goes. Do you think he's going to get more packages out, or do you think he's going to leave? Comment down below. Oh, he's getting back in. Hope he turns off the lights. I don't know what color the lights are. He's going to Matt's house, probably. Yep, he's going to Matt's house. I can really see him through the trees. That's really cool. See all the trees? And the crows. Crows are getting annoying. See a bird up there? The video is getting blurry. I don't know why. Alright. The lights are still blinking. What the heck? He's gonna burn the batteries out. My goodness. The guy's gonna warn the batteries out on the lights. Guys, comment down below if the truck, comment down below what color are the UPS's trucks. The color of the UPS truck is brown, but also comment down below what color are the blinking lights on the UPS truck. Do you think it's orange or yellow? Let me know in the comments. My goodness. Yo, so many crows. The crows are like, can I have a package too? I want one. My goodness. Did you know also UPS trucks can be made out of box trucks, tractor trailers, and airplanes? Oh, he's going back in. What's he gonna do now? Do you think he's gonna get more packages? Oh, you start the engine. Guys, comment down below. Do you think he's gonna leave or do you think he's gonna get more packages out? Oh, he's going. He's going. Here he goes. There it goes. He just went over the trees. Alright guys, comment down below which is your favorite package company. Do you think it's FedEx, UPS, Amazon, eBay? No, eBay. No, eBay's not a thing. Do you think it's FedEx, UPS, or Amazon? Which is your favorite package company? Let me know. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.